Renewing warranties offer warranty coverage for successive periods upon renewal and remain active as long as renewal payments are made. To add a renewing warranty in Under My Roof, go to the home, location, or item you wish to add the warranty to and tap or click the plus button in the Warranties section. Fill in the warranty's issuer, select the appropriate warranty type, and then set the term length to renewing. Next, set the renewal period and renewal period length. A warranty with a renewal period of 1 and renewal period length of months renews every month. Enter the amount of each renewal payment and set the start date for the warranty. When the new renewing warranty is created, you will be asked if you want to add the first payment for the warranty, since renewing warranties are typically paid upfront for each period. The warranties entry will show the next payment due date and its updated expiration date, which is based on the renewal period and last payment made. You can tap or click the payment button next to the warranty whenever you need to add the next payment made. To change the renewal information, tap or click on the warranty to view its details. Next, tap or click on the warranty's detail at the top. From here, you can change the renewal period, renewal amount, or next due date. You can also view the warranty's payment history from tapping or clicking the Payments button. Under My Roof offers a consolidated view of all your renewing payments in the payment schedule. To view the payment schedule, tap or click the Options button in the Home area. Then select Payment Schedule from the Options menu. The payment schedule shows you all your scheduled payments. Tap or click on an entry to add a payment to the payment history.